What I'd like you to do is to take a quarter sheet of 140-pound Arches cold press paper and make 4 rectangles on it. Then using either a bamboo hake, mop, or other natural hairbrush, apply clean water to the top rectangle. You'll want to make sure that you use enough water so the surface glistens. And it's not important to go all the way to the edge. You can always do that later with your color. The importance of this exercise is to have a better understanding of how water and color move together. Then what I'd like you to do is to take a little French ultramarine blue and use either a blend or a synthetic brush and mix it on your palette with enough water so you have a nice consistency. Then take the loaded brush and place it in the rectangle only in one corner. And allow the color to spill out into the clean water. And in the meantime, prepare some alizarin crimson on your palette, then add it to the opposite corner. And allow the water to move the color and do the rest. Then lift and tilt your paper and allow the 2 colors to naturally blend and transition together. You can see how by using enough water, I'm able to actually direct the flow of color. If I didn't use enough water, the color wouldn't move, and if I use too much, the color can easily dissipate. And if I feel I have too much water, all I have to do is pool my color and lift the color out. Then I can move on to the next rectangle. I'll repeat the same process by first filling it with water, then adding my color. And this time, I'm going to change the color a little. I'm going to put a little New Gamboge in one corner, and then allow that to spill out into the clean water. Then I'll use the same permanent alizarin crimson and mix it on my palette and place it in the corner and allow the 2 to meet and blend. This may seem simple, but it may take you a few tries to get a feel for how the water and color moves. If you mixed these colors together on your palette, you'd actually have entirely different results. The advantage of using water and blending color directly on the paper is that you get a gradual transitioning before it blends. Then continue on working your way down the paper, adding only 2 colors at a time to each rectangle. This way you'll be able to keep your colors cleaner. You may even want to refer to a color chart to see which combination blend you like the best. As you move and tilt the paper, you actually get to experience the magic of watercolor. You can even begin to imagine these small rectangles as portions of paintings, the blend in a petal, or the transitioning color of a sky. Now, before we apply this technique to a painting, let's look at some of the problems you can have.